So this is to record something to do because I've had a brain injury and I'm in supported living accommodation. So I wanted something to occupy my time. So I want to cover a few points about my life, but to aid with my memory. So there are many things I've done in life. I'm 52 years old now. I have run two businesses, two small businesses. One was a partnership and one was a sole trader. I have taught Taekwondo as a Taekwondo instructor in Barnet in North London, and that was for many years. I taught adults and juniors, and also a specific class for juniors, children under 10 years old, and I called that Tiny Taekwondo. I called my general Taekwondo school Taekwondo Excel, and this was in Barnet in North London. I enjoyed teaching very much. My brain injury means that I don't have memory of things now, but I'm very glad that I know that I did it. I'm pleased with the things I've done in my life. I'm quite proud of myself and proud of my achievements. I have run a partnership with someone called someone called Oleg Smirnov, and that was in North London, and I called the business Sero Systems, and I've also run a sole trader job which I called Alda Computing. So I'm glad with these jobs, and they ran very well in Barnet in North London. So I'm pleased with myself for the work that I've done in life. I also worked for a company called FI Group as a consultant, a computing consultant. And I'm trying to think when this would have been. This would have been early 2000s, I think, that I did this. It is difficult to organize my thoughts now. But I was also a Taekwondo instructor, which I taught in Barnet in North London, and I called that school Taekwondo Excel. And I taught adults and juniors, and I also taught a particular class for very young children, which I called Tiny Taekwondo, and I ran that school for many years, but I don't remember details now due to my brain injury. So it is difficult to do this. In terms of work that I've had, I ran a partnership called Sero Systems, and also Alta Computing. I've worked for FI Group. I've worked for New Leaf Limited in computing roles. I'm trying to think of other work that I've had, but it doesn't come to mind now. So I'll probably stop there. I'm recording some details of my life. I was also a Taekwondo instructor in Barnet in North London, and I called that school Taekwondo Excel. I've probably mentioned this before, but I'm confused because of my brain injury.